Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create QR code for location in Google Maps. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, of course, we need to open Google Maps, and here we need to find the place which we want to share using QR code. So for example, I want to share the location for Castle Rock, so I'll just found it on the Google Maps, and you need to click on it to select it. So basically, when you selected the place, you need to click on the share button next to the name of this place, just next to the cross sign. So click on the share, and now all we have to do is to simply click on the copy button to copy the link to this place. So as we copied the link for this place, we can close the Google Maps, and now we can open Safari or any other browser you are using. And here in the Safari, you need to type QR code generator. So click on the QR code generator and choose the first site that opened. So now you need to click on accept all cookies, and here, as you can see, is the field for your website URL. So simply paste the link to the Google Maps right here. Now you can choose the frame or the logo. It doesn't really matter. So basically you just need to download the image, clicking on the download file right here. And as you can see, here is your QR code opened in the next window. You can just simply take a screenshot of this QR code and then send this QR code to your friend if you don't want to sign up on this site to download it with a high resolution. And basically that is it. That is how you can create a QR code for location in Google Maps. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.